Today, guys, we are gonna play something called Cute Girl Sleepover. What the heck? Cute Girl Sleepover. What the heck? What kind of name is that? Cute Girl? What? What? How do I pronounce it? Cute Girl or Cute Girl? Yeah, whatever. I'll pronounce it Cute Girl. Oh, look, another player. What is this game? This is this pet only. And what is that? What is this also? What is that also? Everything that cat looks like black thing. Yeah, the cat is pretty. Oh, look at that. That's my twin. You thought I'm bitch. Stop them scaring me. I also have this which I have trypophobia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that good? Is that all? Nothing. I ain't doing that. And plus, this is not enough for my trypophobia. Oh, everyone left. This is my own. This is like Sinamaru. What happened to Sinamaru? What the hell is that outfit? Why is there hot there? I thought it were only outfits about it or something like that. Let's see what I thought it and why is that in there? Why is that supposed to be here? And why is it? Why is it in the I thought it was supposed to be here. Why is that here? Here. Alex, why are you doing this? What's supposed to be here? What is supposed to be here? Is that what you'll eat? It's supposed to be here. I was hating on you and I feel like it for about you. Doesn't mean that's dang, that's me. Dang, my twin.
Asa man si Ani? Kasi ko ay. Bilis.
Ara,
Les, pinakam ako na ko.
langgam
Tingnan
daw.
na si Mami. Pinakam.
Langgam mo.
Yeah. Langgam.
Langgam. Ganda ng langgam ko. 5 pieces. Langgam lahat. Ganda ng kulay, no?
Yeah.
Ano mo yan, langgam?
Yeah.
Uwi ka. Uuwi pa naman si Mami sa ano. Uuwi ako sa November. Bitbitin ko. Sis, Kabe, Vanessa.
Manguli pod mi sa kuante sa December pohon.
November daw.
Asa mo kay Vanessa day? Asa mo ato?
Sa amo ba? Kay
Dili mo ato buto?
ambot lang kay reunion manggot. Katapusan ba ya sa December?
Ano man ma-reunion?
Sa December pa te 20
Yol,
29 ana.
Mami love, pabili ako Robux.
Uli na oo. Uwi na ng November sa ano? Sa November 29.
Nama oh.
Mami love, pabili ko.
Tingklase pa baya na.
Mami love, pabili.
Oo.
Mami love, pabili ako ng Robux.
Ano?
Robux.
Sige.
Robux.
Ano yan na?
Laro.
Ha!
Laro.
Yawa na rin, uy. Nalaro pa?
No, sabi ni Mami Labo. Sabi niya, dalaga ka na daw. Bakit ka pa naglalaro?
Ha? Di pa ka dalaga, oy. 24, ay 24 yung dalaga, di ba?
24.
Ay 14.
Oh. 14, no? Ilang taon ka na?
Ay,
No, hapit na.
15.
Na, dalaga ka na. May crush ka na nga yata eh.
Pangit-pangit ang mga lalaki dito. Mukhang tae.
Loko ka.
Ginoo ko pataan ka.
I want traba.
Ano?
Pinapakain ni mami yung langgam.
Ang daming langgam ko dito. Ibon may lumipad. Kunya, dili mo. Ato na lang mo. Kaya ako magpaala kay. Kuha ka man ako balik.
Traba.
Kanus
January 3.
Ha?
January 3.
Umo.
January 3.
Maora man pud na kaya nga mo man pong uli pa dong diri kay mga 3 or 2 man. 1 week man me. Oh, 1 week. Ibla mo larga mi mga 27.
I'm going to play with my
Pero ambot pati mahapit na po siguro po diha kay kuan man. Mahapit siguro po diha kay kanang stay pa man ko isa ka adlaw. Aw kuan ba pag abot na ko diha hapon man.
Oh.
Eso ko to niyo. Ano yan? Naglalaro pa rin si Ilis. Dalaga na.
Gipalit na mo perting mahala no. Gadto na mo sa Mega Mall, ting mahala, dulaan. Tag sa kalibo kapin.
Oh. Ibigay mo na lang yan sa TV ni Ate Lucille.
No.
Oh.
No, I like playing it.
Babae pa naman yun.
Ay, favorite ko to eh.
Ibig na si Lucille.
Favorite ko to eh.
Nanambok.
Si Yossi, wala siya nanambog yan. Pati na inuuniwanga.
Bata lang.
Ang bata rin nanambog.
Breastfeed man siguro sa iya.
Oo.
Amang
Kaya gusto ko na kayo tutoy.
namang kunting niwanga. Ang sustansya nasa
Am
bata.
I ending the game now? I'm ending this game because I'll continue this like later. I'll do a part 2 later.
Asan sila? Nasa balay sa lapit eh?